everyone. Hello everyone. It's me, Marie. Today we're going to make popcorn from scratch. My husband is here with me. He is the popcorn connoisseur.
Hello.
Anyway, we're going to demonstrate how to make popcorn using nutritional yeast instead of using the common cheese powder and butter. This popcorn that we're gonna make is a lot healthier than the one you can buy in stores, guaranteed, and it's better for you, and it's the flavor is so much better. Okay, and we will be using about a half a cup of popcorn. Next, we're gonna turn on the popper. Some people don't have a popper, they'll put it in a hot pot and shake it, shake. But we're happy that we have a popcorn maker. Turn it on. And it's actually, you see, it's spinning in hot air, and the heat is going to pop the dried corn. It will do it for about a minute or so, 2 minutes. There's the popcorn. There's the popcorn. It's coming out. It's popping. Very good. Now we're gonna season it. There are two options that you can use. You can use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, or you can use this one, extra virgin coconut oil. Honestly, I like the extra virgin coconut oil. I like the aroma, the sweet aroma, as long as you use the extra virgin coconut oil that is cold pressed, okay? Because it still has the aroma and the nutrients. Okay, just sprinkle it generously, about 1 tablespoon each time you sprinkle it, so it's divided. And my husband likes to use both. He likes to mix the coconut oil and the olive oil. And then he's gonna mix it with salt. Here, this is nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a type of fungus, but it's processed. It grows on hops, whey, and blackstrap molasses. That's how manufacturers mass produce this kind. It's very good for you. There are several types of nutritional yeast. Yeast in general. This is not the brewer's yeast, but this is the nutritional yeast. This type is it's called the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is the type that manufacturers grows on hops. No, not the hops, the whey, blackstrap molasses, and something like that. It's good for you. It has a lot of benefits. So we use about 2 tablespoons, but it's divided. So after he mixes it, he will put more seasoning. Okay, nutritional yeast.
Go ahead and through the ingredients.
Salt. Pink salt. We like using pink salt because it has more trace minerals. We use about 1/2 teaspoon or divided. Depends on how much salty you want your popcorn to be. And we use also kelp granules or kelp powder. We use about 1 teaspoon of kelp granules or kelp powder. This is very good for you. It is high in iodine. And yeah, for those people that have iodine deficiency, put this in your popcorn or on all your menu. It's good for you. And to replace if you don't have kelp granules, you can use also basil leaves, just to add to the flavor and aroma. Some people like to use basil leaves. Okay, it's seasoning time. You can put about a teaspoon of iodine powder or granules. Salt. Nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is good for you. It helps boost your energy, and it's healthy for your hair, nail, and skin. And it's also good for, it helps promote glucose sensitivity. So I search all this, okay? And it's actually good for pregnant women. Now you stir it to mix all the ingredients.
And you don't stir it a lot, because then your ingredients will fall down and fall off the popcorn.
Yes.
You just do it just a little bit. Then you do a second application of the same seasonings.
That's right.
I usually do the dry, small stuff like the kelp and the salt before I do the nutritional yeast, so that it will stick to the popcorn, because it's smaller.
That's right. The more seasoning you put, the yummier your popcorn.
To a certain extent, yes. Forgot to put in the coconut oil, so put just a little bit of that.
And more nutrition.
Okay, because the nutritional yeast will stick extra good on this layer. And you, depending on your bowl size, you will depend on how many layers of seasonings you want.
I want more nutritional
If you
yeast.
want it to be a little more tasty, then you add a third application for this bowl size. So just put just a little more. This. Some more kelp powder. Pink salt.
See, with your half a cup of dry popcorn, you will use about a fourth of the nutritional yeast flakes. Nutritional yeast flakes. That's the actual term. There you go. Your popcorn is ready. I hope you enjoy this quick recipe. This is Walter's favorite snack and part of our supper. Bye. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please hit subscribe and like. Until next time. Bye.
Enjoy.